New Chatbot app tutorial by the App Builder. Sorry for not posting for a while. Chatbot app tutorial development was on progress. Click on the New Project button located on the top left corner. The project's name decides your application name. In this case, we are naming it Chatbot. This is the screen of our app. Now click on the experimental button and select Chatbot. Drag a text box and adjust its height and width. In this project, we are going to write our message in the text box only. Now drag and drop the button component. When we are finished writing our message, we shall click this button to send it to the chatbot. Again, drag and drop a label. The chatbot's reply shall be received here in this label. Section. Now we will write our code for the app. The following code tells the app that the first text bot is the area where the user will write their message. Then, when the user clicks the send button, it will send the message to the chatbot. Our next code defines that when the chatbot's reply is ready, it will now send the message to the user via the label. These blocks define that when an error occurs, the chatbot will display the error code. Generally, it doesn't happen, but due to some misconceptions, it may occur.